Hello friend, today, let's draw Jax from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'm drawing his eyes, his mouth showing his big teeth. Next, the shape of his face with his long ears. Look, his eyes are wide open and ready to see you. Let's draw his jumpsuit. His arms. His gloves. And other arms and gloves. Let's draw some buttons and pocket. Let's draw his legs and feet. It's time to add some color to Jax. Let's do it together. Let's color his ears and face with color purple. His body is also purple. And his feet. Let's color his jumpsuit with glitter red. His big teeth is glitter yellow. As well as his buttons and his gloves. And pink for his pocket and trouser. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.